A very good afternoon, class. I am your new subject teacher for value education. Hope you are all fine and staying protected. So, today I am going to teach value education to you all. I will be teaching the Awakened Citizen program, and as you can see in the slide, this is session 11 and it has two parts. Part A, expressing myself, and part B, engaging with culture and society. So we will be exploring the today's session, the physical possibilities of expressing oneself. As you can see, there are two parts: part A, expressing myself, and part B, engaging with culture and society. So I will be taking today only part A, that is expressing myself, and in the next class I will be teaching part B, engaging with culture and society. Class, earlier the topic taught to you has emphasized the qualities and capacities that are awakened when we adapt to our new changing environment, especially if we are in extreme climatic change and there is a natural disaster. People come to know about their potentials, and there is an awakening like to know yourself, and the new capacities have been built up due to the new situations in order to deal with the new conditions in the environment. So now I am coming to the today's topic, that is expressing myself. First of all, what you hear when you hear expressing myself, what is the idea that comes to your mind? It is the idea like knowing oneself is the beginning of all wisdom. Means you are how much you are aware, how much do you know about yourself. The self-awareness, the positive and the negatives, that you understand oneself. Sometimes the best way to express yourself is through feelings rather than some concrete ideas, or is a specific structure. It is through in a creative and artistic way. For example, the novelists have an ability to take what a character is thinking and use it to further develop them and their action. Learning how to express yourself in a healthy way, to live in an authentic, more fulfilling life, because learning is very important for our personal growth, and to know oneself, learning takes an important role, and practicing yourself and being true to who you are is essentially uh, required for becoming strong and relieving the emotions that are making you disturbed. So first of all, you have to listen to yourself. Self expressions, which is the ability to communicate and demonstrate your feelings honestly, is an important factor in embarking on the journey of finding out who you are. You have to first listen to yourself, observe yourself, like what am I feeling, or what are the opinions regarding to the situations that is going on, so that you may find yourself as an individual. What are your thoughts, and these needs to be expressed. So like it will be there like a free flowing water. If our thoughts will not be expressed, then it will become dirty and stagnant water. Just like water, the thoughts will also become negative. You will start self blaming, or you will have unrealistic expectation, or you will not feel comfortable. These are the things which you find, which you will have, and these are the things which are issues if you are not able to express yourself. The ability to monitor our inner world and our thought and emotions as they arise. As you know that the ability to monitor our inner world, what is happening inside our mind, what are the thoughts and emotions, and how are we feeling. So self awareness is basically being conscious of what you are good at, while acknowledging what you are still what you still have to learn. So, students, you have to acknowledge your emotions, write about your feelings, and verbalize your feelings in a very productive way. Express yourself creatively. So, these are the things that you have to keep in your mind when you want to express yourself. Expressing emotion is important because if we do not express our emotions, we will feel suffocated. The energy which needs to be flow will be stopped, and this will not result in healthy outcomes. In fact, it will result in a very negative outcomes, and that will lead to again mental health problems. If you are not able to express one oneself, or what are your opinions, then it will result in mental health issues, and also it will affect your daily functioning life. It will affect all your relationships, including your family, friends, and the close ones. You will be able, if you express yourself in an efficient manner, then you will form healthy relationships, and then your good sound mental health will increase, and which will in turn affect um, your way of approaching to problems, as you will feel that these can be solved. Otherwise you will feel very difficulties in your life. New learning will get affected if you are not interacting or expressing oneself. You will nothing you will get to know. The new thing you will not be known. So there are some ways, like exploring our possibility of expressing oneself. There can be different ways through which we can express oneself. So let us move forward and see, like there are some of the creative things through which you can express yourself. So you can see like the children, they are singing, some of the children are singing and some of them are dancing. So you can see that these people, these children have selected their way of expression through singing or dancing. And as you can see that there are people who are doing dance, and people who are like involving themselves in acting in a drama. And then there are people who are playing musical instruments. Here the musical in this current slide, the girl is playing a guitar. So she is expressing herself in her own way through guitar. She is trying to express her emotions uh, through the guitar. And you can also see that the other two boys in this slide are playing tabla. So they have chosen the instrument tabla for expressing themselves, in which they feel relaxed and happy to do that. Now moving forward on the other things, like what are some of the creative things you like to do, like writing stories, essays, poetry. One can express themselves through writing essay, poetry, and through computer art and speeches. Like the in a slide, the picture is being shown as if the girl is giving a speech. Maybe it can be a motivational speech, but she has chosen her way to express herself, and her way of expression is through giving speeches, through which she regulates her feelings and emotions and share her opinions. And you can also see that some people take photographs, like in this slide, the child is taking a photograph of an animal, and he is expressing himself by taking photographs through different angles, and or through different kinds of photographs he can take. So he can choose, he has chosen the way to express himself. It is very important to express yourself and to find a very creative way, so that your energy gets channelized and it does not become stagnant. Your thoughts will be freely floating, and you will be able to see the clear picture of your environment in order to enhance your self understanding and your personal growth. So, moving towards the second moving towards the next slide. So these are some of the ways through which you can express yourself. Some of the ways means, if you can see, like we have earlier discussed, the dance, through music, through art, through speeches, through acting, through cooking. Some people like cooking, they love cooking. So through cooking they express themselves by making different kind of fruits, or different kind of like dishes for different variety, and all this includes in cooking. So they express themselves through their cooking. And like earlier we have seen this boy, he's expressing himself through photography. And here you can see a girl, uh, and she is posing as if she is expressing herself through writing. So she is expressing herself in writing it down. And you can also see that people are expressing themselves through craft by making different kind of things. So there are many kinds of things through which you can express yourself, because expression of emotions is very necessary for one's healthy mind and body. If you are not able to express, then how other people will let you know how you are feeling? And if the other people might not know that what you are feeling, then it will result in relationships problem, starting from your class, your family, your parents, your friends. So you have to express yourself clearly, and your opinions should be, you should have like opinions regarding any kind of topic, or you should be able to express yourself. So you can see here, like there in this slide, in this current slide, there are so many pictures of some eminent personalities. And so these are some people whose profession is to express themselves in different kind of ways. Like there is Deepika Padukone and Amir Khan. So they are actors and they express themselves through acting. And singers and musicians, like Shreya Ghoshal expresses herself through singing, and A.R. Rahman by making, he is a musician. So through music he is expressing himself. Then we can see here also the writer is there, Geeta Mehta. She uses to express herself through her writing technique, so that she can vent out all the emotions about whatever she thinks. We can see here that there are dancers also, like Birju Maharaj, Prabhu Deva, who use the dancing to express themselves, use the dancing to express their ideas, their creativity in the form of dance. And there is a photographer, Iqbal Mohammed. He is a photographer. So basically he expresses himself through photographs, through different kind of photographs, or which includes various kinds of differentiation. So he has chosen his way, like his way to express himself through photographs. Now this is Sako Chaturvedi, and Sako Chaudhary, and he is a sculptor. So he is expressing himself through sculpting. His area of his interest is sculpting only. And these are the puppeteers, Ramdas, and so they used to express through their um, through their acting. Like here you can also see that M.F. Hussain, He's a painter, he's an artist. So he uses his painting technique to express himself to emotions of how he sees the world, how he perceives the world. So it is his way of expressing. So like them we can to develop our possibility of expressing ourselves to any extent we choose. So now you can have an idea that through through these, through expressing oneself, you can enter into a profession of which you like. That like if you like acting, if you like acting to express yourself, you may enter into the acting field. Or if you like to express yourself through singing, you may enter into a singing field. Or if you like painting and drawing, then you can enter the painting field, which has artists that make different kinds of varieties of paintings in order to express themselves. So class, today we have learned about how to express ourselves and what is the importance of expressing ourselves in our personality. So I am closing the session. If and I am here to announce one thing also. If you're having any kind of emotional problems or any kind of problems at your family, there is pressure of achieving higher numbers in the exam, especially from parents and society, and if you feel you are not able to solve these problems, then you can contact me, as I'm your new school counselor, and we will fix a session regarding to the problems you are having, and try to solve the problem. So just observe yourself. If you are having any kind of problem, then please come, you can come to me, and we will have a session, and we will fetch out all the possibilities for the solution. So I am sharing one WhatsApp number with you. This is my WhatsApp number, and you can firstly WhatsApp your name and your class, and what is the problem that you are having, in which you want a discussion or a solution to get over it. So my phone number is, please write it down, all the students: 7985610958. So this is my WhatsApp number. I am like telling again, 7985610958. So if you have any kind of issues in your life relating to friends, family, or school, then you can contact me through WhatsApp, and I will be happy to solve your problems. Okay class, goodbye, take care.